Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm doing another milky white set. I did something similar to this and I did a custom mix, and in that video I used Banggood white acrylic and I mixed that with clear, and the outcome was nice but it was kind of gritty. And I said in that video that I had wished I used Tammy Taylor white because it's a little bit smoother. So that's what I did in this video. If you want to see the old video, I'll have it linked in the cards in the top right. So I already have her tips applied and I shaped them into the coffin shape, and I already prepped her natural nails for application. So I'm just going in with my alpha brush and I'm applying a thin layer of clear acrylic.
I hate elbows on rims. Vanity we see, it's all I see. Bad vibes around me, brainwashing me. Get away from me. Never call my mama T. Best somebody naked me. Never give me envy. As I come around, I'm discovering. As I come around, I'm recovering. As I come around, I wanna love again. As I come around, I wanna be innocent. As I come around, I found I wasn't perfect. Come around.
So I'm going in with my custom mix of milky white, and I'm just applying this all over the nails until I reach the desired coverage, and then I will encapsulate with clear acrylic.
I think I'm gonna need some more figures. Go figure out what you keep missing. They tell me I don't pay attention. I tell them I'm losing my interest. Got options, there's two of them, but they both wrong. All of them, we both wrong. Just calm down, I'ma make it home. Hard life, may be hard-headed. I would explain, but I forget it. Do you feel me? I can't feel you. Don't know what you talking. Going to sleep in my house. I'm gonna run out. I call me a mate. I hopped on my bike. I turned on the light. I lost all my rights. You right, I'm alright. You right, I'm alright. You see, I'm alright. Making a kill. Dropping the top of the wheel. True music with a spin. 180 no bins. Never really had friends. Few bros and that's that. Few bros and that's that. Got rid of all that. As I come around, I'm discovering. As I come around, I'm recovering. As I come around, I wanna love again. As I come around, I wanna be innocent. As I come around, I found I wasn't perfect. As I come around, I'm discovering. As I come around, I'm recovering. As I come around, I wanna love again. As I come.
Face to face, I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost, but I held on to what I had. For what it's worth, if you're feeling low, just know that you can. Yes, you can. There's life in love that you hold. Rise above and let it glow. Just know that it's never too late to make a change. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love. Breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn. Crash and burn. Oh wow, let it crash and burn. This one for the person who feels alone, This one for the hero who has no home. This one for the one who live for hope. Changing better days. Pick your head up, keep on fighting, living, loving. Make your mind up. If you want it, take it, fly away, soaring high above the clouds. Hear the voices calling out. Oh, you want love. Crash and burn, I found myself beneath the emptiness. Make your mind up. Wanting more, I let it go. Holding on to love. Breaking through, I feel alive. For once in my life, I'ma live by the want to be all I can. Let the rest just crash and burn.
Kim J. Yeah, he booted, nigga.
Stocking of that cheddar just to do it, y'all. Swear. Buying of that jewelry just to do it, y'all. Whipping all on foreign just to do it, y'all. But it won't mean nothing. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. I'm about to cop a new jet. I'm about to rip it with that. Zoom, zoom, run the gas. Spend the cash, get it back. Hope it don't last too long. I heard it was best myself.
So this is after file shaping and buffing the nails, and my bling adhesive is really dried up, so that's why it's really sticky. But I'm just using Zulay's bling adhesive to apply some stones. I have mixed sizes of crystal clear and light rose.
But I'm never going back. Never going back. I think never going back. Rockin' this garment though. My outfit ain't Gucci though. Don't mess with no bougie folks. Pull up in the Hummer though. Standard out on though. They don't know about comments though. They don't know about comments though. Hold on right now, don't back it. Hold on right now, don't back it. Might as well be high fashion. Up in the company landing. All in the scene, I'm gagging. All in the scene, I'm gagging. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Roll like focus. Brody, don't you know me? Don't you notice? Hold up, hold up, hold up. Mom ain't talking. Wait, hold up, hold up. Hold up, hold up. Man, I thought you was my brody. Acting like you did not know me. Used to be chillin' in low-key. Wait, yeah. Get that there. Just ain't there. Like a big old bear. I won't keep on calling, I ain't staying, y'all. Used to be chillin' up in the bay, y'all.
After the resin is dried, I'm top coating the nails with IBD Intense Seal and Cure.
Stocking of that cheddar just to do it, y'all. Swear. Buying of that jewelry just to do it, y'all. Whipping all on foreign just to do it, y'all.
After applying cuticle oil, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I really appreciate it. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's @femi.beauty. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I'm about to rip it with that. Zoom, zoom, run the gas. Spend the cash, get it back. Hope it don't last too long. I heard it was best myself. Stocking of that cheddar just to do it, y'all. Swear. Buying of that jewelry just to do it, y'all. Whipping all on foreign just to do it, y'all. But it won't mean nothing. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep. 6 foot deep.